out. That's nice. Look at how y'all doing, man.
All right.
Y'all ain't bought nothing in there.
I put it on layaway.
Oh, okay. How you doing?
It's already bought it. Looking for something different.
Oh, y'all looking for something else?
Yeah.
Okay. I think the prices went up in there, y'all.
The prices went up everywhere.
Oh, yeah. What kind of dog I got? A little shit too.
There's no prep?
Yeah, there's no prep. Okay, it look like they almost situated. I'm gonna save one cookie, boy. Them cookies was good. Golly, y'all. I need to go try to see if I can find my other charger. Cause I already see this one here ain't gonna work. This thing,
Can I get that pom-pom that's on the floor?
right here. Here you go. I'm not trying to see some.
Me too.
Are you here?
Yeah.
She said, look at what you doing up here. Sometimes I do be amazed that a lot of people know me. I be thinking, how the hell do they know me? I have been working on trying to get the word out. But sometimes when you got the feeling that, man, that word ain't getting out, you be like, it ain't working. Then next thing you know, you somewhere minding your own business and somebody else saying, look out, what the hell? Now I went in there to go get this big old battery pack. I hope this dude. Yeah, I think this will do it. I hope so. We got 64 people watching right now. Only person speaking is Team Thundercock. Is it on subscriber only or something? All the other people shy. Let me find out 60 of y'all on here shy.
No, his car keeps going right.
Oh, it's lunchtime. Oh, okay, I got you. Really?
Still live?
Yeah, still live, man. I seen what y'all got out there. Y'all doing a little something.
A little slow.
Nah. Yeah, I got some.
We're looking for Cohen Williams, who got into Pro Street.
Cohen Williams.
Here.
Yeah, I'm on Twitch.
If Cohen is not
y'all on
in
Twitch, you
Pro
got
Street,
Twitch, man. Look out Racing is my channel, man. Look out.
Are you the one going to Yello Belly?
Yeah, I go to Yello Belly.
So are you on...
I'm on YouTube too.
The other one,
YouTube,
And then we need
Facebook,
Charles
Twitch,
Douglas. Charles
Instagram.
Douglas, we need you up here, sir. Charles
TikTok.
Douglas.
I got a TikTok too, but I ain't been working on it that much. I don't know if I should have or not, but I don't know which one to start up, man. I just be I'm trying to figure out which one jumping. I just left YouTube and came over to Twitch because my YouTube videos, I have 10,000 views and 200 likes. I'm like, something ain't adding up. I get 10,000 people to watch and only 200 like it. But when I'm online, they be telling, oh man, you doing a good job, man. Keep up the good work, man. You out here grinding, you doing it, man. I be thinking, I can't get a like, and that's free. I'm trying to get some money. That's the main goal. So I done came over here to Twitch. They said that, oh man, we're gonna treat you way better than YouTube. So I'm back starting from the bottom on Twitch. I might have to go to TikTok. TikTok, what you gonna do for me? Talk to me and I'll talk back. Look out, man. You one of the fan favorites for the day. We call you Mohawk. We got a dude with a hole in his pocket from New York. We got BMF, that big dude named Chris.
Yeah.
We got one dude from Oklahoma. He fast too. Them the 4 people right now. It was 5 though, I think. But I know them 4. You one of them 4. He want. Yeah, man, you doing a good job. Just keep it straight. Keep doing your thing, man. Have that progressive sit like you got it. It's working. Hey, y'all. How y'all doing? Y'all in the building? Where you come from? You just got here?
Yeah, I just got here.
Oh, okay. You too, huh?
No, I came and left.
Oh, okay.
I had to go get them.
Oh, okay. Where y'all was at?
At a party.
Oh, y'all? They ain't have no extra food? Y'all didn't bring no dessert?
It was on the grill. It wasn't done.
Oh, that's why y'all came on over here. Y'all, we gonna be over here. When y'all get finished, make sure you got somebody to call you.
No, we're gonna go back and check.
Okay.
If we go back, then we'll
Man, you need to get a call, Miss. Tell her, man, don't be playing.
we're gonna bring you.
Okay. You got a call then, man. Is the food ready yet, y'all? We need about 30 more minutes. Okay. Call back 30 more minutes. Get you a little more RC car, no prep in. Alright, y'all came right. Did they at least have the grill smoking?
Yeah, they did that.
Oh, the grill was smoking? Okay. Well, y'all got about 2 hours.
Right. Okay, you know that, right?
Yeah, y'all got about 2 hours.
I was gonna race today.
Oh, dang, you had time.
Yeah, I know. I was gonna race the stock class, but
Dang.
yeah, what it is. I catch the next one.
It is what it is. I don't even know. This is my first time being here.